Viewers and subscribers blazing entertainment, and you don't know, we always keep it blazing and just talk it as it is and not like it might be. Viewers and subscribers, Skillibeng, Sheldon, the whole of England. You see what I say? People, Skillibeng, Sheldon, England. You see what I say? Alright, I'm going to show you this now. You see me? Not because Skillibeng I sing them fooling isha. That's it, him is not a big artist. Skillibeng a big artist. Yes, what I say? Me cannot take that from him. Yes, what I say? Because when he did have him songwriter, we did a write for him. You see me? The songwriter write good song him. As I say, like Crocodile Teeth, Torpedo, Bad Man Thing, Hot and them tune there. Yes, what I say? Say them is bad, them is not on them tune. Them tune they are bad tune. Yes, what I say? Me can't take that from him. Yes, what I say? But watch a style and all people. Them song here with Skillibeng a sing now. If Skillibeng did, what would I say? How would I put this now? Alright, Skillibeng bust with brick pan brick. So we're gonna say, yo, if he bust with brick, he bust with brick pan brick. You see me? And then him start sing the whole of them garbage away him a sing now. People them would want to hear him. The people them would want to hear him, you know. So here I go on. Enough people feel like say, are the garbage them when him a sing now make him a get so much forward in England. No. Him is already a big artist already. You see what I say? Skillibeng already have the catalog already. You see what I say? And Skillibeng done song with UK artists, you know, like big UK artists, and artists are big in the UK, you know. You see what I say? So the man big in the UK. You see what I say? So don't feel like say him not big in the UK, and when him go there, the people them are gonna stand up on him. No, them not gonna stand up on him. Them are gonna real cause the man have big song in the UK. Them as I say, the man have Crocodile Teeth, Torpedo, Brick Pan Brick, and them tune they are big tune. Say them is bad, them is not. Them tune they are big tune. Yes, what I say? So as when me I say people, if Skillibeng did bust with brick pan brick and sing the whole of them garbage, come down. The man sing 1 year out of garbage, you know, people. Skillibeng sing 1 year out of garbage. Yes, what I say? The man sing, me no know, brother. The man sing 1 year out of garbage, brother. You see me? Yo, I don't know how the man do it. The man sing one intense them there. Intense there. I sing be a bad song and I kill up himself. Joshy them. Be a bad song and Skillibeng them I sing be a foolishness. And yo, the man tear down England. You see what I say? But as me say, I'm going to say it again, viewers and subscribers, is not wap. And even though, don't get it twisted, you know, him get a big forward, half a wap, you know. You see what I say? But the man already have a catalog of tune already, brother. The man already have big hit song already. If I the wap alone, that couldn't carry him go to England. Wap alone can't carry him go to England. You don't know a Crocodile Teeth, the man them tune him have. A them song that carry him go to England, you know. You see me? Alright, out of all of the garbage them when him sing, this is what I say, you know, people. Out of all of the garbage them when Skillibeng sing, which one get the biggest forward? Skillibeng sing 1 year out of garbage. You see me? Which one get the biggest forward? No, wap. You see what I say? Wap a foolishness, you know. No matter how you see the people, them want real and real. People like it, you know. People like it. You see what I say? People like wap, but me do not like it. I think it's garbage. You see what I say? That's why Beenie Man a cuss, you know. People, this is why Beenie Man a cuss. Because all them singing, them wap through, they are garbage them. You see what I say? Them singing are garbage, that's one of the reasons why the man a cuss, brother. Because them man don't sing no song that make sense again. You see what I say? Me they have Skillibeng as a bad artist, you know. Enough people could listen, yo. Me no rate him and Ray. But brother, me a no hypocrite general. You think me a hypocrite? You're a hypocrite. If you don't do the right thing, me I tell you straight, dog, I be a foolish ass thing, you know. You see me, dog, my harsh, you know, youth. All my bridging them, you know, you see me? Any one of them was say them are artists and them are sing garbage. Me I tell you that, I mean, I like that tune, brother. I mean, I saw me stay. I saw me stay, be not like it. No, dog, me not like that tune, me not think it bad. I saw me stay. Can't take that from me. Straightforward. You see what I say? Me I tell you the truth and done. You want to vex, you vex, brother. If you want to stop the me, top the me, I saw me operate. Yeah, man. I saw me operate. But as I say, still people, it's a good look for him in England, you see me, because him no flop, you see me? Him shell it. First time in England, and it tough it up, man. You see me, dog, bun it down, man. Bun it right down, man. Me I tell you, man. Me not tell no lie. And him enchant song come like a wap wap. Come like a wap wap him enchant. Him enter the stage, dude. You see me? Wap wap. Him get a big forward of a wap wap. Every other song a big forward too. You see what me I say? But the people them not go for hear wap wap. The people them not go for hear wap wap, you know. You think I wap wap the people them go for hear him perform. A crocodile teeth and all of them bad song there. You see what me I say? Brick pan brick and them bad tune there. Say them is bad, them is not on them tune there and bad every day. And she love bad man. She love bad man. Yeah, at them tune there. The people them go for ear, the people them not go for ear wap wap. But you don't know wap wap him sing first, so you don't know if people them are gonna realize me. People love it, but me not like it. Me just think of garbage. You see me? I know say more people think a garbage. You see the people them who don't think the song a garbage, a Skillibeng fan them. You see me? And me can bet you say some of them fan them a say a garbage too. You see what I say? Me can bet you say some of Skillibeng fan them a say that song they a garbage too. You see me? And you have the one them where I say I no garbage. You see me? Yeah, man, people Skillibeng sing 1 year out of foolishness, man, I still got tear down England, man. I won't do it. Hey, I used to the man making up people. Skillibeng sing 1 year out of garbage. And shell down England. How him do it? Him alone know him do it. You see me? Him alone know him do it. Me and the man that song him I say, what? You know freak 10 man like Chelsea. A garbage that you know. A garbage right through like Nigel. You see what I say about it? No joke. You see me? Yeah. So me still I congratulate him. You see me? Him do a good job in England. You see what I say? Anyway, people, I cut you know. Like, share, subscribe. Like a West Indies creator. I'm out.